Entrepreneurs are often inspired by their surroundings. That's why the founders of MindLift found the ultimate inspiration at home for their impactful platform.
From what we understand, you have a very interesting story how you developed this ingenious solution for people with brain activity monitoring.
It started with the family. Two of my siblings were diagnosed with ADHD. The one who diagnosed them and gave them the medication therapy, my own father. He's a pediatric neurologist. One that would bring the medications back home is my mother, because she's a pharmacist. So I've been living this world of ADHD for a very long time now. The first thing that I've done with it was to start a business when I was 16. It would help people get better diagnosis for ADHD that is more objective. Later on, I actually integrated in the tech industry, and then I decided to, instead of just diagnosing ADHD, let's try to tackle it. And that's why we founded MindLift, both myself and my co-founder, Anas Abu Mokh.
So tell me, what does MindLift do?
It's a technique called neurofeedback, through which people get their brain activity measured, and in real time, they try to control things on the screen that in turn can enhance specific brain functions. The secret sauce is how you take these signals and translate them into something meaningful. So we've put this EEG headset in your head that has channels on your forehead and also on the temporal lobe. You see here a screen full of games. What's going to happen here is that the app is going to learn about your specific brain activity, and the game is going to change based on that. So when you're focused, the bubbles would focus into one place, and the less that you focus, the more that your mind is scattered, the bubbles would scatter along the screen. So, okay, right now we see it scattered, try to focus and maintain it. You see, focused into one bubble. And that actually is the training that is happening to your brain right now. You're getting positive feedback. So right now you move to
two bubbles.
Yes. So try to maintain them. Try to keep it focused. Look at the screen. Right now you do not look at the screen and it's fuzzy all over.